Our lecturer for today is Jasfer E. Ventura, graduate of the University of the Philippines, BS Education, major in Mathematics, minor in Physics, Teacher 2 at Jose Abad Santos High School, and Lecturer 2 at Universidad de Manila.
In this video, we will be defining sets. And to do that, syempre, anong kailangan natin gawin? Let's first define what is a set. So a set is a collection of well-defined and distinct objects. And kapag sinabi nating well-defined at distinct na object, syempre, ang distinct, dapat yung mga objects na yun ay hindi magkakapareho or unique sila sa isa't isa. And pag sinabi nating well-defined, we know whether that object is included in that set or not. Hindi pa pwedeng, hindi tayo sure whether yung object na yun ay kasama or hindi. And how do we represent our set? Using the letter N, open parenthesis, and a capital letter. Most of the time, ang ginagamit natin to represent our sets are capital letters. For example, capital letter A or capital letter B or any letter in the alphabet. And kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, for us to better understand kung ano nga ba talaga itong pinag-uusapan nating sets, better kung magkakaroon tayo ng mga examples. So, I have here 3 examples ng kung ano ba yung set na sinasabi natin kanina, yung kaka-define lang natin. The first one, let's say set A is the set of all the days in a week. So, kung makikita nyo dito, based on our definition, ang ginamit nating pagpapangalan dun sa unang set natin is the capital letter A. And yun naman talaga yung paraan ng kung paano natin papangalanan yung mga sets natin. So, for our upcoming discussions, you will notice that hindi tayo gagamit ng mga small letters to name our sets. Okay? So, let's say for our first example, set A nga is the set of days in a week. Is this a set? Is this well-defined? Oo, well-defined yan kasi alam natin na yung pinag-uusapang objects dito sa set A natin ay yung 7 araw na nasa linggo natin, yung Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And we know, aside from those 7, hindi na sila magiging included doon sa set natin. So, we all know whether an object is included or not doon sa set A natin. Therefore, we can say that set A is actually well-defined. For our second example, set B is the set of all the factors of 6. Can we say that this one is also well-defined? Oh, well-defined yan kasi alam naman natin kung ano yung definition ng factors, right? The factors are the whole numbers or rather, the integers na kapag dinivide mo si 6 dun sa mga numbers na yun, eh, sakto yung sagot. The factors of 6 are 6 itself, 2, 3, and 1. And aside from those 4 numbers, wala na tayong ibang numbers na po pwedeng isama natin dito sa set na to. So we know, uulitin natin na whether those numbers are included in the set or not. Clearly, well-defined pa rin siya. And for the last example of our set, set C is the set of all presidents of the Philippines. And well-defined pa rin naman yan kasi wala naman siyang specification na sinabi niya whether it's the current one or the former president. Basta sabi dyan, the third set is the set of all presidents of the Philippines. And clearly, well-defined pa rin to, kaya pa rin nating sabihin whether a person is included in that set or not. Hindi lahat actually ng collection ng objects natin ay well-defined. So, para mas maintindihan natin yung term or rather yung description ng set natin na well-defined, I'll give you some examples ng mga collection of objects na hindi well-defined. And we cannot consider them sets. Kakasabi ko nga lang, no? Hindi lahat ng collection of objects, whether kung objects na yun ay mga tao, numbers, or even abstract ideas, pag pinagsama-sama na sila, ay masasabi na natin na set yung collection na yun. Kasi nga, ang definition di ba natin ng set ay dapat yung mga objects that are included in our set should be well defined. So I have here 3 examples of collection of objects or persons na hindi natin mako-consider na set kasi nga hindi sila well defined. I'll start with the collection of amazing singers in the Philippines. Yung keyword natin sa first set ay, sabi ko nga, hindi to set. In this first collection would be the term amazing. So, bakit yan hindi well-defined? Kasi yung adjective na amazing or that description varies from person to person. Hindi ibig sabihin na amazing yung singer na to sa akin, amazing na siya para sa inyo mismo. We have different tastes in music. Pwedeng para sa iba, sobrang galing ng mga Korean singers, sa iba naman hindi. Pwedeng magaling sa iba yung mga singers natin from locally, yung mga Filipino singers, pero sa iba hindi. So meaning, hindi certain yung mga magiging laman or yung mga tao na maipapasok dito sa set na to. It will vary from person to person. And same thing with our second example, yung adjective na beautiful. So, pwede naman sabihin natin, kung maaalisin ko to, actresses in Hollywood, okay na yun. That would be a well-defined set. Kasi nga, sinabi lang naman niya, actresses. Pero, meron siyang siningit dito na adjective na beautiful. And kagaya nung term na amazing, it will vary from person to person. Wala tayong certain na batas para masabing, okay, beautiful tong actress na to. An actress can be beautiful for me, pero sa iba, hindi na siya beautiful para sa mata nila. And even, in our third example, yung salitang or yung adjective na tall basketball players in the UAAP. Baka mamaya sobrang taas ng standard nung person na naggumagawa ng set na to, kailangan talagang certain yung pagiging tall. And how do we define tall ba? Meron bang certain minimum height for us to say that a person is already tall or hindi? Kasi baka mamaya sa iba nga, ako, I am a short person, pero baka mamaya isipin ng iba, in their standard, mataas na ako. So that what's these 3 adjectives ang dahilan kung bakit hindi magiging well-defined yung tatlong collection na to. Yes, they are collection of, puro tao nga yan collection of people, pero hindi natin sila mako-consider na sets kasi nga, they are not well-defined. So to summarize what we've discussed, what is a set? A set is a collection of well-defined and distinct objects. Kailangan alam natin whether yung object na yun ay included or hindi doon sa set natin. At kailangan, syempre, distinct sila, unique from each other. And how do we denote our sets? We use capital letters to denote the set. The objects in a set are called by a special name. Ang tawag sa mga objects na yun are elements. So, for our next discussion, we will be talking about the elements in a set.
Hi! Kung sa tingin ninyo kami nakakatulong sa inyong pag-aaral bilang estudyante at kung kami nakakatulong sa inyo bilang mga magulang at mga guro, please do subscribe to our channel. We wanted to reach as many as possible. And in exchange, we will commit ourselves, our time, and little resources to create more videos na makatutulong para sa kinabukasan at maayos at mabisang pag-aaral ng bawat estudyante sa ating bansa.